And there was one more person.
Yeah.
And was it you?
No.
Yeah. Was it you? Yeah. We'll go with.
It was here.
What's your name?
Loretta.
Loretta?
Yes.
Ooh, I love that name. Welcome, Loretta. Give it up for her one more time.
I am revolution. I am changed. Effortlessly. I spring up as a trend. Free representing the degree of the greatness that is within me. So history. I am revolution, consistent in the movement. So history will change itself fluidly. A speech can transform a country, and a deed can change a heart of man. Just like a seed of grace will blossom. Even when there's a famine in the land, times wait for no one, but it waits for me. I am revolution.